Solving word problems involving division. What's new? Shani bought 5 kilos of mangoes for 600 pesos. How much would it cost her to buy 18 kilos of mangoes? Let's try to solve the problem using the guide questions we learned from the previous lessons. Understand. What are the given information or facts? 600 pesos for 5 kilos of mangoes. What do you need to find out in the problem? The cost of buying 18 kilos of mangoes. Two. Plan. What operation is to be used? Division and multiplication. Write the number sentence. 600 divide 5 times 18 equals n. Three. Solve. Perform or do the operations. 600 divide 5 times 18 equals n. Do the operation inside the parenthesis first. 600 divide 5 equals 120. Perform the operation. 120 times 18 equals 2160. 4. Answer. State the complete answer. 18 kilos of mangoes will cost 2,160 pesos. Let's have more examples. There are 279 volunteers that are willing to help the fire victims. If there are 13 affected streets, around how many volunteers will be sent in each streets? In some cases we can solve a problem through estimation. Remember when we estimating the quotient. 1. Round off the dividend. 2. Round off the divisor to the nearest highest place. If the divisor is one digit only, do not round off anymore. 3. Divide the rounded off dividend by the rounded off divisor to get the estimated quotient. One. Understand. What are the given information or facts? 279 volunteers. 13 affected streets. What do you need to find out in the problem? Around how many volunteers will be sent to each streets? 2. Plan. What operation is to be used? Division. Write the number sentence. 279 divide 13 equals n. Use estimation. 280 divide 10 equals n. 3. Solve. Perform or do the operations. 280 divide 10 equals 28. 4. Answer. State the complete answer. There are around 28 volunteers for each street. Other examples. Estimate the following. 1. 41 divide 7 equals n. Take note that 41 is closer to 42. It is important to think the basic facts in estimating the quotient. 42 divide 7 equals 6. Other examples. Estimate the following. 2. 65 divide 8 equals n. 65 is closer to 64. which is divisible by 8. 64 divide 8 equals 8. Read carefully and answer the following. 1. Alyssa earns 840 pesos in 3 days. How much does she earn in a day? A. Understand. B. Plan. C. Solve. D. Answer. Read carefully and answer the following. 2. Estimate the quotient. A. 17 divide 4. B. 24 divide 5. Circa 92 divide 9. Estimate the quotient and compare. Write greater than, less than or equal in the circle. What's more, read and analyze carefully the following. Show your complete solutions on a whole sheet of paper. 1. Jessica saved 75 pesos, 90 pesos and 120 pesos for 3 months. What was her average monthly savings? 2. Michael works as a call center agent. He earns 2,700 pesos weekly. If he earns 450 pesos daily, how many days does he work in a week? Divide 1,000 pesos into the different sets of bills. Write your answer on the box. One. 9 boys ate their snacks at the canteen. The meal costs 216 pesos. They agreed to equally share the expenses. How much is the share of each boy? 2. Ralph goes to the market to buy melon. 1 kilo of melon costs 95 pesos. If he has 285 pesos, how many kilos of melon can he buy? Three. Sean wanted to buy a backpack that costs 975 pesos. If he planned to save 25 pesos every day from his allowance, how many days can he finish saving up for the backpack? 4. Anne's weekly allowance for work is 1,500 pesos. How much is her daily allowance if she works 6 days weekly? 5. Trisha's online store has 240 t-shirts. She sold the shirts for wholesale in packages of 12 pieces. How many packages were there?